Namaskar. Today I am going to tell you about a very effective treatment that gives instant relief from knee pain, which is caused by osteoarthritis. People generally take painkillers to deal with this problem, which in the long run can worsen the disease because one of the main reasons for osteoarthritis is toxins. And painkillers are chemicals which are toxic to our system. On the other hand, the remedy that I'm going to tell you about is completely natural, that has absolutely no adverse side effects. So what you do is, first you wrap a heat pad around your knee and keep it on for 5 to 10 minutes. The heat will bring down the inflammation quickly and at the same time will open up the blood vessels, which will increase the blood flow to the affected tissues, and more blood means better healing. After the heat, pour a little castor oil on your knee and rub it well. Castor oil is a powerful anti-inflammatory, while the massage will mobilize the lymphatic fluid in that area, which will draw out the stored toxins from the knee joint for elimination. Then the toxic substances in the blood have to be neutralized, and for that you need an alkaline juice because these substances are acidic in nature. To make the juice, you take a small bunch of spinach, 1 carrot and a medium-sized potato, all in the raw form. Cut and liquidize them in a blender and strain. The juice is ready. You can dilute it with a little water if you don't like the taste, but do not add anything else to make it tastier. After drinking the juice, you have to do a few asanas for better blood circulation in the leg, especially around the knee, as well as for better lymphatic movement, which will expel the toxins effectively. The first one is toes bending. Sit on the floor and stretch your legs in front. Keep your hands on the ground behind your back and relax your body. If sitting on the floor is not possible for you, you can do them on the bed. Now, keeping the feet joined and vertical, bend only your toes fully forward, then fully backward. Do it 10 times. The second one is feet bending. This asana is also done in the same position and in the same manner, but here you have to bend your entire feet forward and backward instead of just the toes. Do it 10 times. The third one is knee bending. Sitting in the same position, interlock your fingers and hold your thigh. Now bend your leg with your toes pointing up, then straighten it and stretch well with your toes pointing forward. Do it 5 times. Then repeat it with the other leg, whether it is affected or not. Now, Titli or butterfly. Bend your legs and keep your feet in front of you, the soles joined together. Interlock your fingers and hold your feet. Now, bringing them as close to your body as possible and stretching yourself fully up. Move your legs up and down, mimicking the flapping of a butterfly's wings. Do it 20-30 times. Lastly, do Shavasana. That is, lie down on your back with your spine and head in a straight line. Keep your arms beside your body, a little away from you, with the palms facing up. Then separate your legs at least 18 inches apart and relax. Now take a deep breath and exhale well to remove as much toxic gases from your lungs as possible. Then breathe naturally and start counting them backwards. You will need to take 100 breaths that way. So first time you exhale, mentally count 100. Next time it is 99, next 98, like that till you reach 1. This exercise will relax your body thoroughly and an injured body part recovers better and faster during deep relaxation. After the relaxation, take a tablespoon of blackstrap molasses in half a cup of hot water. That is the whole treatment. You should be feeling much better by now, and it will still improve in the next 1 or 2 hours. During that time, do not take anything that tastes sour like lemon, orange, curd, vinegar, etc. And no synthetic chemicals. Otherwise, the pain may come back. And here I must tell you one thing. This remedy may give you instant relief from the pain, but it may not last very long. To get permanent relief, you have to root out all the factors that cause this disease, which you can do with an appropriate yogic routine and the right diet. That's all for today. God bless you.